everyone's come out, man. This will always be a channel favourite, you know that, innit? I don't care how tough times get, this will never be looked down on. Having this, like I said to you off camera, owning a car like this is an income stream. That's like, you're actually saving so much bread, you're making like 20 bags a year just for owning it. It's actually not slow. I don't think it's slow.
It's light, that's why it goes. I love drivers like you, they take their motorsport off, they don't go around the whole
They do the racing line. Oh, like, can I put the seat back a bit?
Yeah, do it. 90-degree turn.
I bet someone's been in the wall. Those aren't the original bricks. Looking resurfaced, cause. Bro, we're delivering curries at a rapid speed. Just Uber into. Oh, what happened here then?
Oi, oi, oi.
What? Why are you stripped for? What happened? Come on, bro, we got delivery to get. Come on, man, I want to be road back. Okay, it's just a little. Yeah, side swipe, yeah.
Is it?
Right, where's the traction button? Fucking hell, your car's a bit slidey, innit? This one's a bit nicer, innit? It's a bit worse for wear last time you saw it. New ding, latest ding. Why is it just turned off? From what? Oh, I've just disconnected the fan. New ding, another one. As you can probably tell, it was involved in a crash. My friend who's coming is over there. He's having a piss. He did it, and we've had it repaired, but obviously we've had it cheaply repaired, you know what I mean? So we're literally going to take the Deliveroo whip for a spin when he's had good piss, yeah? Fits right into Southall, mate. Yeah, a highly requested Southall area. What better to do it in the Category S Deliveroo vehicle, innit? Fastest curries and rice in town, mate. I've been telling the boys that you wrote off the motor. Yep. You reckon it's good? It seems solid, innit?
Right.
I kicked it and something turned off. Turn the tunes on, lad. What you reckon to Rosie and Jim? It's alright, innit?
Alright, it's alright.
Oi, this handle's different. Boys, I don't think we can have too much tunes on because of the whole copyright laws, mate. I was just saying to my friend here. What was I saying about the copyright? We both folded, lad. It was a bit of both of us. What was I saying? Which way? Oh, 4. I don't even know the way. Bro, he's got 4 legs. Oh, that's 2 people. Can I go there, please? What's going on here, lad? Yo, the car's fucked. This is ruined. You've ruined what was a good car.
It's always a good car.
To be fair, it's driving the same, innit? Now, this you lot think is a little bump in the road. You sent it into a pond, mate. The car's been in a pond since you last saw it. Can I go there? Thank you very much. Rosie and Jim, Rosie and Jim. Na, na, na. Yo. Yeah, but I'm gonna gap him in it. Yeah, old backed. But yeah, boys, well, not that highly requested, but a lot of people said when I went to Birmingham, do Southall or London, innit? So far, I'm liking my time in Southall, man. It's a bit on the busy side of things. What's your opinion on illegal immigration?
If it's doubt, kick them out.
Come on, cuz. Just how I taught you, lad. Why are they stopping?
And you know, I bet their insurance is about £1.30.
£1 a year.
Mine cost a diamond from Peru.
Oh, this is it. Yeah, we're on Southall Road, innit? What's it called? Broadway or somewhere?
OFB and that.
Well, this is it. OFB's from here. What? OFB's a sickie. What? Once an OFB's a sick, bro. Move out the road, mate. Might protect your modesty, but it won't protect you from a Toyota Yaris. I thought this would be an appropriate car to do it in, innit? You know what I mean? Because it is like we're just shotting food. And I'm not talking drugs with moving some Domino's pizza. Oh, it's such a hot day, man. Look, 32 degrees. Are you dumb? I'm in Southall, in a Yaris, in 32 degrees, and you think I'm not taking my YouTube account seriously? You must be tripping, man. But I can't lie, all these areas, they're literally just the same. It's a bit busy out, innit? Look at that, bro, like a moth to a flame. Watch out. How can you fall asleep on the Southall High Street? Was it music to your ears, lad? Stage 1 on this is what? 100 and something, 150?
180.
180 pounds.
Yeah.
And they increase it by 2 horsepower. Or you can do a dyno tune, which is 1 horsepower. Because I feel like you're not a summer person, mate.
Yeah, I hate
I ain't a summer. Boys, we're not summer people, man.
For the winter.
That's why we're women. It could be worse though, innit? Look at my man there, bro. It's not milking, man. You just broke a leg. I ain't giving you a tenner for that. Brother, run!
I'll give you
You earned it, lad. Go on.
Bless. He's just back to his lights and he can't be bothered for the traffic, bro.
I guarantee someone's got a heat stroke, man. Someone's just parked up in the centre reservation.
Got a spoiler on the Corsa, bro.
Alright, be nice. Built,
That's
not
why
bought.
fucking wide body kit on
Nah, bro, built, not bought. I've not had a bad experience. I just don't like it. You know what I mean?
It's so depressing.
It's just shit.
Keir Starmer did say he's kicking down with immigration, so I mean,
Who is that, Keir Starling? Someone said in my comments. Nah, you don't. Nah, I mean serious. Be serious, innit? He's the government.
Where the fuck are you going then? No, he's not going to
Oh, sorry, brother. I didn't see you bloody cussing. What, you lot do top golf on a regular?
No.
Is it one off, huh?
What actual solemn place?
You don't like it? This moves though, innit?
Yeah, kicks back.
It's pinning me back, lad. Oh, my brother. Nah, just go forward.
No, you think go.
Bro, I'm not gonna make it. Man says come crash into me so I can claim on you, fucker. You think I'm born yesterday?
You think I'm a dickhead?
Gun lean, man, gun lean.
2 mile now.
Ooh, it's a tight squeeze. Yeah, I'm having a good time, you know. This is a nice thing to drive. This is so. Why you not? Oh, brother, just.
Southall.
You're so negative.
We're in Southall, bro.
Yeah, but we're in a Yaris, G. This is our favourite car. You know what I mean? And we're rarely in one of these, so why not just be happy? One's got that. Oh, yo, that is mean. Oh, dude, I feel like no one's out because it's so hot. We've chosen such a hot day to do this.
Bloody hell, cousin.
Nah, man's a driver. Oh, I hate it when they do that. You're making me go into gear 1, man. If he put his foot down a bit, you know what I mean? It would have been timed.
Smoothly sailed.
My man sat there lingering doing 2, bro. Rosie and Jim. One time, very fun time. Oh, let me in. Oh, my arm is on fire. This is what I hate the most about summer. And you know what I mean? There's no air. There's no wind. Turn the AC on, mate. Shut up, you bellend. Look at everyone, you know, when everyone's shiny and sweaty. Winter is so much better. I don't understand how a man can like. I like the summer in another country. I like going to a hot country. I don't like it here. It's not meant to be hot here. I actually think I'm more miserable in the summer than I am in the winter. I'm live, I'm kicking, I'm everywhere, you know what I mean?
Winter's so much nicer, man.
I feel like this whole video we've been crying, you know. We're not spreading much positivity. What, you're not happy with the repair job? I'm just seeing you look around.
Nah, it's very weird being in the pasture, isn't it? They were like train ticket guys, man.
Oh, some of them are just jobs worths, innit?
No, bruv, you're going that way, just let me off.
Yeah, innit? The train. Nah, but it's about the economy, innit, bro?
Economical state of the...
I'm only saying that there's a camera on me, innit? I am on your side. I used to bump train all the time. You know, I probably own TFL about, well, in 4 figures at least. Nah, I'm serious. Yeah. But then I got a license after that and I became legit.
Yeah.
We've all done it. Oh, don't be so dramatic. Look at the size of your car. I never really understood road rage, you know.
Yeah,
I mean, I don't know, it's the little things in life that don't really bother me, innit? But some people fully, like, they let it get to them, ruin their day. That, man, I ain't got time. I know. You know I would have breezed that though, innit, if it were this well, but oh, it's getting hot, man. I was ringing this guy, he didn't answer. I was sat home, scratching my balls all day. And then when it's shower time, 10 missed calls, you know what I mean?
Nah, you know what's the worst? Someone calls you call them back and they don't answer. Like,
yeah, he's like, where have you gone?
What have you done with your phone? Mailed it to Africa or something? What the fuck? Fuck off.
Why are you getting stressed for, cuz? It don't even affect us.
Auntie's not even. What the fuck?
Nah, she would have written me. She didn't even look. She hasn't even acknowledged me.
You know how easy it'd be to do an insurance job around here?
That's why they all do it. I'm not saying anything to be raised. The irony that this is the one black guy I've seen so far, and he's with the police. Nah, but I know you're thinking. No, it's nothing to do with race. It's nothing to do with race. I'm just stating what I'm seeing. If you don't believe me, look forward, innit? I've seen nothing here. There's been nothing interesting. It's the middle of Saturday.
What's happening?
It's just shit. You wanted me to come and see the gaff. I'm sorry. I see your complaints, boys. I don't like it. It's too busy, innit? It's way too busy. Yeah.
I think I'd rather have a bike round here.
Nah, it's not that, but London in general I don't like.
Yeah.
I love going to London, yeah? Like, I've been going for years, but you wouldn't catch me living in it. I used to live in it, and I just, nah, man, not for me. The main thing that got to me was everyone's personalities, bro.
Everyone's a prick.
Everyone's, honestly, okay, I feel like everyone's a prick everywhere in the country. Everyone's just so sad.
They're more populated in London, though.
They're small, you'll relate. They're very small-minded.
Yeah.
They don't really think outside of London. They just think London's the best thing ever when it's not, bro. You're sitting in a flipping 2-bed share with your mum. You know what I mean? It's not. I rate London, don't get me wrong, man. I don't know. I couldn't live here. Plus the traffic.
Yeah.
It's so long. You know when something's a mile where anywhere else, that's a 2-minute drive, you know what I mean? Round here, that's easy 20, 30, maybe even 2 hours depending on where you are. These are some nice wide roads though, innit? I love this car, man. You look like such a gangster driving it. Gonna just hop in now. Oh, it's hot in it.
Hello, what are they gonna see?
Why are you running for Southall? Are you insured?
Yeah.